On behalf of Center for Extramural Studies, and we are working in partnership with the Liberty Institute and the Institution Trust, I welcome all of you for this international conference on climate change, shifting science and changing policy. I'm very, very happy to see the audience, comprised of teachers and students, and I hope all of you are really, really interested in the issues involved in the science of climate change and policies. We have with us today something like 20 experts who speak on various disciplines related to climate change, science and policy. And therefore, I think this will be an exception to all the conferences. The welcome speech is really going to be very, very brief. So we have very good, robust researchers and scientists here. I'm not going to spend much time in introducing them one by one. And for that reason, I have given you a folder in which the brief biographies of all of them are there, and even their abstracts are there in the folders you were given. Mr. Mohit Satyanand of Liberty Institute is going to moderate the sessions. We won't be having any chairmen for the session, and that is again for the same reasons. Though we do expect some discussion and even debate at the end, as the conference progresses, if you have any questions, you won't be asking them with mics and all. You will be writing down your questions and handing them over to our volunteers who will be sitting amongst you. They will be wearing the volunteer tag with them, and you can hand over your questions to the moderator, and then they will be given to the respective persons, experts. Let me mention here today the Vice Chancellor of the University, Dr. Rajan Bedukar, was going to come. He had in principle agreed to have this conference and be present, but he had to go for a meeting, just for a one-day meeting to Washington, and therefore he cannot make it. However, he sends us his good wishes and he has wished us grand success for this international conference. Now, to the conference, I have with me Professor Dr. Sharad Safekar, very senior ecologist, who retired from the University of Pune, but he was with Mumbai for a long time in the Institute of Science. These subjects, the climate change, environment, environmental restoration, environmental education, these are the subjects which are very dear to his heart, but he has always been anti-alarmist. He has been very active in all these spheres, and yet he has never ever supported the doomsaying about the world, and therefore I am very happy to find him here to give his inaugural speech. We are not going to have any other ceremonies which generally Indian conferences do have. We go straight ahead with the conference, and now I request Dr. Safekar to give his inaugural speech.